Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. The studio meteorologist here is talking to you on the overnight outlook. Taking a look at the 6 Zulu scan here for Tuesday. Here you have a low sitting here around the Roanoke Valley. You have rain pushed. You got it coming in from the northeast, and that's going to cause a couple things. One being a fetch off the Atlantic, which will increase the precipitation here, Philly, and parts of the mountains of Pennsylvania and West Virginia. You see we have lows out here in the Midwest that may cause some severe weather in this area tomorrow. Looking at the 12 Zulu, you can see we get more precipitation now in the mid-Atlantic states, with the fetch, the low pressure coming off the coast of Virginia and pushing that precipitation back towards. Like I said, we have isolated shots of severe weather, and that'll show up here as it all moves east, and it's pretty much stalled out front as it keeps moving. And then by Wednesday, we start really getting a fetch off the Atlantic when we get a low go develop off of the North Carolina coast. So Roanoke, Richmond, up through Dover, Delaware, down through parts of Elizabeth City, North Carolina, back through Bristol, Tennessee. These areas are going to get some rain Wednesday. And then Thursday, it pushes off the coast and we get another front moving in from the north. Pretty strong low, 992 low coming in, and should cool everything down. Looking at the tropics, we have one system here, trying to get that together, here in the Caribbean. It's going to be laying out here for a while. It's on a 30 percentile. What that'll do is it'll also sit here and get near the Central American area, but at the same time, it's going to have a hard time really moving because we have this whole area, cold front, and a high up here, pushing everything around. And so any storms that come up here, if it gets into the Gulf, will take an easterly turn. So looking at that, it's looking a little better organized than it did before. The other system we were watching pretty much fizzled out. Look at the severe weather probabilities. Like I said, with the low setting up here, the front setting up here, and the trough setting up here, so you get that moisture coming off the Gulf, and that may cause some isolated severe weather in the Dallas-Fort Worth area over towards Arkansas and northern parts of Louisiana tomorrow. This may actually go up to a slight risk. I won't be surprised tomorrow that we get up to a slight risk for severe thunderstorms. And then next day, we have a possibility out here with a monsoon pattern here in New Mexico and Arizona. Sunday Roanoke forecast: mostly cloudy overnight, 54 degrees, 72 on Tuesday. Chance of showers increasing on Tuesday night, 55. A slight chance of showers on Wednesday, 65, and then 72 and sunny on Thursday, 65 and sunny on Friday with a cold front going through, and 48 Friday night. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful beginning to the weekend. And for the Triad, mostly sunny, 80 degrees Tuesday, clouding up on Tuesday night, 54, 68 on Wednesday, 74 on Thursday, 70 on Friday. Looks like we're also going to get a nice weekend here in the Triad region, Greensboro, and whatnot. So, a little bit of precipitation over the next 2 days in the Roanoke Valley as it bumps up against the mountain and causes some orographic lift, which will generate some rain, mist, drizzle, fog, and then clearing out by the end of the week, leading up to a nice weekend. We'll keep an eye here on the tropics. Also, I'd like to say welcome to Levi32 as a staff meteorologist here on liveweatherblogs.com. I recommend you look at his Tropical Tidbits. It's a very good blog, video blog. I enjoy watching it, and I recommend anybody that watches my blogs, please go over and see his blogs, and everybody else's that post here at liveweatherblogs.com. Until later, this is Dean D. Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Have a great one.